Mastering e-commerce experience design. E-commerce success hinges on tracking the right KPIs or else. Why is it essential for our e-commerce team to establish and regularly track specific key performance indicators, KPIs, that effectively measure the success of our operation, and what metrics should we prioritize to ensure we are meeting our goals? Establishing and regularly tracking specific key performance indicators, KPIs, is crucial for e-commerce teams to measure the success of their operation and make data-driven decisions. This is because KPIs provide a quantifiable way to assess performance, identify areas of improvement, and track progress towards business goals. By prioritizing the right metrics, e-commerce teams can optimize their operations, enhance customer satisfaction, and drive revenue growth. There are several essential KPIs that e-commerce teams should prioritize to ensure they are meeting their goals. These can be categorized into four main areas: customer satisfaction, operational efficiency, revenue growth, and supply chain performance. Customer satisfaction KPIs. 1. Order fulfillment rate measures the percentage of orders that are shipped within a predetermined time frame, such as 24 hours or 3 days. This KPI is critical to ensuring timely delivery and meeting customer expectations. 2. Return rate tracks the percentage of orders that are returned by customers. A high return rate can indicate issues with product quality, sizing, or description. By monitoring this KPI, e-commerce teams can identify areas for improvement and reduce the number of returns. 3. Customer satisfaction, CSAT, score measures customer satisfaction through surveys, reviews, or other feedback mechanisms. This KPI provides insights into customer happiness and loyalty. 4. Net Promoter Score, NPS, gauges customer loyalty by asking one simple question. On a scale of 0 to 10, how likely are you to recommend our brand to a friend or family member? This KPI helps e-commerce teams understand customer loyalty and identify areas for improvement. Operational efficiency KPIs. 1. Inventory turnover measures the number of times inventory sells and replaces itself within a given period. This KPI is essential for optimizing inventory levels, reducing waste, and improving cash flow. 2. Shipping cost as a percentage of revenue tracks the shipping cost as a percentage of revenue to identify opportunities for cost savings and optimization. 3. Average handling time, AHT, measures the time it takes for customer service representatives to resolve customer inquiries. This KPI is critical for evaluating the efficiency of customer support operations. 4. Order processing time monitors the time it takes to process orders from receipt to shipment. This KPI helps identify bottlenecks in the order fulfillment process and opportunities for improvement. Revenue growth KPIs. 1. Conversion rate measures the percentage of website visitors who complete a purchase. This KPI is essential for evaluating the effectiveness of marketing campaigns, product offerings, and user experience. 2. Average order value, AOV, tracks the average amount spent per order. Increasing AOV can be achieved through upselling, cross-selling, and optimizing product offerings. 3. Gross margin measures the difference between revenue and the cost of goods sold. This KPI is critical for evaluating profitability and identifying opportunities for cost savings. 4. Revenue growth rate monitors the year-over-year or quarter-over-quarter growth in revenue. This KPI provides insights into the overall health and growth of the business. Supply chain performance KPIs. 1. Supplier lead time measures the time it takes for suppliers to deliver products. This KPI is crucial for optimizing inventory levels and reducing stockouts. 2. Stockout rate tracks the percentage of items that are out of stock. This KPI helps identify supply chain inefficiencies and opportunities for improvement. 3. Inventory accuracy measures the accuracy of inventory levels. This KPI is essential for reducing stockouts, overstocking, and improving supply chain efficiency. 4. Freight cost as a percentage of revenue. Monitors the freight cost as a percentage of revenue to identify opportunities for cost savings and optimization. To ensure the success of their operation, e-commerce teams should 1. Establish clear goals and objectives that are aligned with the company's overall strategy. 2. Define and track relevant KPIs that measure performance across customer satisfaction, operational efficiency, revenue growth, and supply chain performance. 3. Regularly review and analyze KPI data to identify areas for improvement and opportunities for optimization. 4. Develop and implement corrective actions to address performance gaps and improve overall efficiency. 5. Continuously monitor and refine KPIs to ensure they remain relevant and effective in measuring operational excellence. By prioritizing the right KPIs and regularly tracking performance, e-commerce teams can drive operational excellence, enhance customer satisfaction, and achieve revenue growth.